Hello everyone. We are yet to the another session of the Thoughtful Leadership, and today we have a special guest, Dr. Sarashna Tiwari. She is the director of the Faculty of Management and BNS Group, and she has a experience of 25 years, and she representing the board and post study exam and department session communities at Barkatullah universities, and published a book on emerging trends in banking, finance service, and insurance sector. And she also honored with the Lake City Club City Lion Lake City Club Bhopal with Utkarsh Shikshan Samran in 2014 on the contribution in the field of management education. And she also honored with the facilitated by the ZTV with the MP in Chhattisgarh and Indian Group with Women's Achievement Awards in 2016. So we all welcome on the behalf of holidaynew.com. So, ma'am, my first question is, how the leadership according to you, leadership style?
Good afternoon, Faizan. It's really wonderful talking to you over this interview today. And as far as I am concerned, I feel that the leadership should always be a participative leadership. Being a scholar of management throughout, I feel that a leader is one who takes along the team for the fulfilling of the organizational goals, and that I have been doing for last so many years, being the director of the institutions, different institutions with the responsibilities with the VNS Group management has given me. Presently working as a professor and principal and the director of VNS MBA program of VNS Group of institutions. And as far as a leader, I'm concerned that you have to, initiate everything by doing an action. So leadership can only be demonstrated with your own action. That is how that you have to be, very dedicated. And we are very dedicated. In fact, I'm talking about VNS MBA program, which is completing almost the 25 years of its existence this coming year. And it is being known for its, the quality education that we have been providing for years. So as a leader, I feel that, my team is very competent to bring out the best in the students and giving them the highest level of quality education to make them ready, corporate ready, and so that they get the very good placement offers as soon as the placement season starts. We have been also, the very good academic performers as far as the university is concerned in 15-17 and in the year 17-19. Out of the 5 merit positions of Barkatullah University Bhopal, 3 of our students are there in the merit list. And recently in the convocation itself, the gold medal has come to our student, Ms. Divya Gupta. So we have a consistent performance of the merits as well as good placements also. So that is how I take my team to, that it should not only be the education, it should be the education which will have which will get the employability skills to the students.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And the next question is, how's the functioning of the VNS Group?
VNS Group functioning is a very good functioning because I told you, it is an institution which is having the credentials of 25 years of its existence. And we are having not only the management program, we are having the pharmacy, that is, we are offering B Pharma, M Pharma, D Pharma courses. And apart from this, we are having engineering courses. The mining engineering is the course which is the only exclusive course which is not available in any of the institutions in Bhopal. And it's only available in 2 of the institutions in the state. Then we are having the nursing program, BSc nursing program. We are having the physical education. We are having the education program. So in fact, this is a group which have the diverse professional courses in our college. Apart from this, as far as VNS MBA is concerned, Faculty of Management, it is the research center of Barkatullah University. And because of its, the highest academic standards and the faculty we have been doing different researches, and several of the research scholars have been awarded with the research degree in management.
Okay. And my next question is, ma'am, what are the facility and the opportunity getting to student by the VNS Group, like the placements and internships and all?
Yeah, let me tell you, Faizanji, because our institution, as I told you, it's having the highest level of networking with the corporates, reason being that we have been established for so many years. So we are having very good networking with our alumni also, who are placed in different type of companies and different sectors, not only in India, and it's also in abroad. Recently, during the lockdown period also, we have been conducting the webinars wherein our alumni have connected. One of our alumni, Mr. Amit Mangwani, recently took a session from Singapore. He is the Director Marketing with Intel Corporation, looking after the Asia Pacific Japan region. And he was guiding the students also. And other than this, we are having the international webinar from the University of in the Sweden also. And apart from this, as far as the alumni are concerned, they are interacting with the day-to-day on the day-to-day basis regarding, giving the tips to the juniors regarding how to prepare for the interview, how they should be the corporate ready, what are the skills required. So majorly the companies in which the students are placed in the last, so many years are recent. I'll just give you the placements. So the last 19, because 20th, the placements were not complete as such because they were left in between due to the COVID part. Otherwise, in 19, we had the highest package of rupees 9 lakh being offered to our student Twinkle Dubey. Apart from this, we had placements from Hinduja Finance, we had Bharti Airtel, we had Reliance Digital, we had Reliance Retail, we had V-Mart, D-Mart, Genesis Technologies, ICICI Bank, Bhaskar Denim, and this Shadi.com, and list is so on and so forth. So you can have details from the website. So I'm really I will like to thank my the team and the placement coordinators who are working very hard for development of the students for the corporate purposes. I told you, we are leading in academics as we are also leading in placements.
Okay, ma'am. And other facilities like the hostels and sports and all?
Yeah, actually, we are having, not in the campus, but we are having the tie-ups with the private hostels also. And apart from this, let me tell you, we are on the day-to-day basis, apart from the Barkatullah University's curriculum being followed, we give specific trainings on, the placement, that is reasoning, aptitude, GD, PI. Then we are also taking to the students for the industrial visits, that is to the Mandideep or Budni or Metwada. These are the areas where we are the corporates we are associated with, and we are taking them to the industries for the industrial visit. We are also having a very specific feature of corporate synergy activities, wherein the specialization faculty members are taking the students with their particular specializations to the organizations itself or have a corporate learning, where there are the corporate mentors also, and at the same time, our faculties are going. So it is providing an industry institute interface like to make the students corporate ready, because they tell us what are the requirements of the corporate, and according to the requirements, because the faculties are also interactive with them, so they come to know what exactly is it.
Okay, very nice. And the next question is, what are the future goals of the VNS Group?
Yeah, the future goals of the VNS Group are very clear. That is, I told you that we are not only in the quality education, we are also looking forward for entrepreneurship, giving entrepreneurship opportunities to students. We are having all in the process, we are having the incubation center also. We are associated with so many, on the platforms of industries like BMA, Bhopal Management Association, ISTD, that is Institute for Training and Development, Indian Society for Training and Development, and AIMS. So these type of associations, give us an opportunity. And apart from this, I'm forgetting one, that is CII, Confederation of Indian Industries. So we are providing the opportunities to the students to have an interaction on those platforms with the corporate experts. So they have, an idea of what is a corporate life, what is expected of them. So VNS Group is not just the provider. When I'm talking about VNS MBA, it is not just the provider of a MBA degree to the students. It is concerned with the overall development. No doubt that the students are getting so many opportunities and getting placed in good institutions. And we are having a very dedicated, the faculty team and the placement team which are working on that. And that is the strength of the VNS group. That's what I feel.
Okay. And ma'am, is there any post-COVID situation as we are suffering from? As the VNS group are ready for the reopens?
Yeah, Faizanji, let me tell you, I mean, if you can find out some videos are there on our website also. Not a single day, I mean, from March onwards, because we have given the students different kind of product presentations, case study presentations. So I myself with my team have been conducting those presentations to develop the students. So whether they are having the Zoom or their WhatsApp, video calling, chatting. So we have been working on them through the presentations. They are showing us the presentations through their laptops, through their phones, through their, making the charts. But we are involving them at any cost. And we have conducted 35 webinars till date in the area of marketing, finance, HR, then the economic policy. Then we are having the alumni series too, in which I told you that our alumni are getting connected from different parts of the country and abroad also, and grooming them. So they are getting very excited. This is the first time then the students are getting the international exposure. I think this is an opportunity being seen in this COVID time, because if they are not able to see them face to face, they are able to see them through the webinars, and it is really, though naturally that personal touch is missing, but at least they are interacting. That is it.
Okay, ma'am. And the last, we would like to have a message for the future students who are looking for their future colleges.
Yeah, I will just suggest this future students. जैसे आपने वो देखा था ना, आपकी जो 3 Idiots मूवी थी कि आपको एक्सेलेंस के पीछे जाना चाहिए, right? So it is, the degrees are being offered by so many institutions, and in Barkatullah itself, there are 8,000 students enrolled for the MBA program. But, there are only few who get the chance of getting placed in good companies. So basically, it is the employability skills they should develop, and they should, aim at a higher goal rather than just getting a degree. And they should work upon, the different types of skills, the operation skills, the skills of working with people, the leadership skills, the strategic visioning skills, what is going to happen. Never we have expected this COVID to come. But still, we are surviving. We are, trying to make our students updated about the latest skills that are required online also. We ourselves have been, never trained in the online teaching before. But the way we are teaching, so this is the, adaptability to the different situations. So we also teach them that, what vision you should have. But at least some crisis management also they should learn that how you have to develop the things accordingly. So people are working from home. So our students are doing the different kind of internships and certifications also from.
Oh, great, ma'am. We have a good experience with you, and thank you from the behalf of the Positive.com. And we have a good interaction with you. And wish you for a good year and a safe year.
Yeah, Faizanji, thank you so much. Actually, we're looking forward for our students to meet now face to face. We have been missing them because, that several activities which VNS conducts, like VNS Carnival, the workshops, that we are having, from the leader management, IM experts and the corporate experts. So they are being able to see them only through the, this online. But we look forward that they meet them, because that gives a better exposure when they are, connected with them face to face in the classroom. That is it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Faizanji. Thank you.